In this video, I'm going to show you how to future-proof your SEO with a very, very quick and easy trick. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be using YouTube. If you don't know, YouTube right now is the biggest way to drive traffic to any website. So what I want you to do is go on Google and type in Genghis Khan. Now, this is kind of a difficult example to show you, but basically you can see on Google, Genghis Khan appears twice. These are both longer form videos, however. What I'm trying to show you in this video is basically, I'm going to write something else here. I'm going to say Beast of the East, which was apparently a nickname given to Genghis Khan, okay? Obviously, this doesn't have millions of searches every month, but it's just an example to show you what I'm talking about. You see this video right here. This is actually a short video that has been created using AI generated images. This is actually not the video that I wanted to show you. It's by someone called Stella. So let's have a little look here. Stella. Okay, it's this one right here. So we're going to click on here and I want to show you something really super interesting about this video. It has 15 million views, okay, which is completely crazy. Obviously, it's a short, so it's going to have a lot more views. But just look at how this video has been made. These are most likely AI-generated images using MidJourney or using Leonardo AI or something like that. And all this person has done has put a little bit of animation, put subtitles, and then it has an AI voiceover. This is insanely easy to make. And what we're basically doing is we're piggybacking on to the back of basically the strongest website, if not the top 5 strongest websites in the world, YouTube. YouTube has an insane authority. Probably it's only beaten by like Wikipedia, maybe Amazon, those kind of websites. I think Wikipedia is probably the most authoritative website in the world, but YouTube is definitely top 5. And by basically piggybacking onto these keywords, using YouTube's power, it's so easy. I'm actually curious to see if we can see what keywords this is ranking for on Google. Now, obviously, I'm not saying 15 million views have come from Google. Of course, I'm not saying that. But what I am saying is 15 million views with a link to your website, for example, about the same article in the description. That's not going to hurt your authority. It's not going to hurt your views, etc., etc. So let's actually see. Okay, it doesn't show the organic keywords for YouTube videos. I guess that's what the problem is here, which is kind of unfortunate, but it's not really that important. All you need to do is make a very quick and simple video using MidJourney, using Leonardo AI, putting them into a editing software such as DaVinci. So DaVinci Resolve is free, and there are a load of other free softwares. I recommend DaVinci Resolve, although if you do want to pay a little bit of money, I do recommend one that will automatically do your keywords for you. Okay, so that is super important. You do want something that will do your keywords for you. But I do find this very interesting. This is so easy to make. These captions are really easy to make. I think there's one called Flickity or something. Is it called Flickity or Flicky? Yeah, it's called Fliki. This one does also look pretty good. I have been experimenting with it a little bit. You can do a few different things with it. If you want to try it out, I haven't really tried it out, so I don't really like using affiliate links. So I'll put the affiliate link in the description just in case you want to support the channel. If you're watching this video, you can use it if you want, but also just go on Google and type in Flicky. You don't have to use my affiliate link. I've never used this service properly. I have just given it a test. But it does look very interesting to me. And if I log in here, and basically you can click on the top right over here once I'm inside. So new file, let's just make a new file, random name. Let's create that. If you click on more or convert, sorry, and then do blog to video, you can actually paste the link to a blog post and it will try its best to create a short YouTube video from that. So what you can do here is you can write an article using ChatGPT, using the methods that I talk about all the time in all my videos, and then you can double down on the SEO by posting one of these or a video that you've made yourself using MidJourney and using a auto captioning software. This kind of process, using this or using MidJourney, maximum 15 minutes, 10 minutes per video. You're going to be banging them out, and it will help you do two things. Number one, it will help your original article rank better because you can embed the short into the article. The other thing it does is it takes up the SERP, the search engine result page, yourself. So this will definitely appear for some random keywords that you would not expect. So for example, let's try Genghis Khan building his empire. And let's see if this particular video comes up. Okay, so that particular video doesn't come up. You can see here that Google is still mainly showing longer form videos. But I do not believe that will be the case for long, okay? So if you've seen recently, they have released or they have talked about Google Perspectives. Perspectives is basically going to be taking from TikTok, taking from YouTube Shorts, and basically you can see a lot of these are shorter videos. That's from TikTok, that's from YouTube, but they're not all 20 minutes, 15 minutes long. And if you don't feel like using AI, if you don't want to use Flicky for any of this, what you can actually do is we can use ChatGPT, okay? And what we can do is we can say, write a very simple YouTube short script for a short video called How to Build a Tiny Home, for example. And then what you can do is it will give you the script, and then all you have to do is start filming, okay? Obviously, you need to maybe refine this a little bit more because it thinks it's a video. So can you do a TikTok instead with a great hook? So what you actually want is you really want something that will hook people immediately. And yeah, that's generally the idea behind this method. So if you do how to build a tiny home, this is obviously a very competitive keyword. And my chances of beating the tiny life quickly are very, very low, okay? But if I piggyback on YouTube's authority and do something like one of these videos, or even just a simple video of me talking to myself, or if you want to go really deep, you can take clips that are in the public domain and do a faceless YouTube channel, or pay someone on Fiverr to do a faceless YouTube channel for you in the niche. These are all just ideas that I personally think future-proof your SEO, because right now, written content is slowly going out of fashion. People do not have the attention span, especially to read really, really long articles. Even with all of the stuff that I've been showing you with graphs, vectors, lists, tables, all of those things are really, really good, but nothing beats a good video, okay? People love watching videos. As you can see as well, they've also added this little thing at the top, and one of the sections is videos, okay? And I guarantee with the Google Perspective update, the videos that are selected and taken from are going to get shorter and shorter and shorter because they are competing with TikTok. You might not think Google is competing with TikTok, but younger people, they get their information from TikTok. They don't get it from Google anymore, which I personally think is really stupid and quite dangerous. But that's what they do. So Google is actually in competition with TikTok, and therefore, if you are uploading shorts to YouTube, then you can easily kind of jump onto that, okay? Another thing you can do as well is, let me just go on Excel Draw to explain this concept real quick. So reset the canvas. What you can do is you can make a YouTube short. So this is YouTube. And then you can actually post it to TikTok, and also to Reels, okay? I believe you can also put it on Facebook. I've never done this part before. I've only done YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. I've never put it on Facebook, but I believe you can also put it on Facebook. I'm sure there are other social media platforms like Pinterest, for example, that you could put your videos on, but you can use something like Zapier to do this all with one click, okay? So all you have to do is say, when I upload a video to YouTube, upload that video to TikTok, upload it to Reels, upload it to Pinterest, upload it to whatever, and then upload it to Facebook. This process, I guarantee you this will drive a lot more traffic than your blog posts on their own. The reason I made this video is because I was just watching that exact video that I showed you at the beginning, this one here with 15 million views. It randomly came up on my YouTube Shorts, and I realized that they were using MidJourney to create these images. If this person can use MidJourney to create their images and just slice them all together like this will take you 5 minutes, okay? And it looks like, yeah, it looks like this is automated captioning. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I wanted to let you guys in on this little secret. This is a huge traffic potential for any business, for any website, for anything you're doing online. This is a massive, massive head start for a new website. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.